Hey, it's Johnny Sax coming to you from the Music Shed. There's been a lot of talk and discussion about, your sound and amplification, reverb, on all of this stuff. And I'm a big proponent of your sound is your sound is your sound. And I'd like to kind of demonstrate that idea. So what I have right now is I have my curved Dixon soprano saxophone, and I have two different mouthpieces. I have the mouthpiece that came with it, which is very thin, has a very closed tip, indicative of a classical style. And then I have the Van Doren V16 series as well for the soprano. It's got a wider opening. And anyway, here's my sound on both of these mouthpieces right now. Tooth guard, electrical tape. So here's what the no name that came with this horn sounds like. So keep that off, throw on the Van Doren. My opinion, not a whole lot of difference. So then if you want to add a bit of reverb, right, you can grab yourself any sort of microphone. I use a Shure body pack right there. Comes over here. Just plug it into that. And then I've got a just a busker amp right there. Small little guy. So now this is my sound with a bit of reverb. There's the Van Doren. Now the no-name pencil mouthpiece that came with it. So, in my opinion, not a whole lot of difference. People talk about changing up your gear to get a different sound. Doesn't really work like that. Another thing about reverb, why don't you come for a walk with me? I happen to reside on a property that has a nice big barn. Not a whole lot going on in it right now. Just take a little walk, leave my music shed. Here we go. Now we're in an old cattle barn. You can probably hear the echo already. Reverb is just musician speak for echo. Thin mouth, no name mouthpiece. That's what it sounds like. Now we'll throw my Van Doren mouthpiece. So your sound is your sound is your sound. Thank you.